To start a divorce or legal separation in California, you need to fill out 2 court forms, a petition and a summons. If you and your spouse have children together, you'll also need to fill out at least one other form regarding your children. First, confirm where you can file. To file for divorce in California, either you or your spouse must have lived in California for the past 6 months and in your current county for the past 3 months. This is known as meeting the residency requirement. You can file for divorce in any county where one of you meets this requirement. Next, let's talk about the forms you need to fill out. Start with the petition for dissolution of marriage or domestic partnership, also known as Form FL-100. This form asks for some basic information about your marriage, like when and where you got married. It also covers the type of orders you want the court to make, such as spousal support or how your property should be divided. Then, you'll need the summons, which is Form FL-110. The summons is an important document because it officially notifies your spouse that you've started a court case. It also tells them they have 30 days to respond. It's crucial to read the summons carefully because it includes important rules that you need to follow as soon as you file. If you and your spouse have children under the age of 18, you'll also need to fill out the Declaration under Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act. This form provides the court with information about where your children were born and live, and if there are any other court cases involving them. You may need an immediate decision from the court for issues like financial support or child custody. To request such a decision, you'll need to fill out additional forms to request a temporary order using Form FL-300. After filling out and signing the petition, make 2 copies of all forms. You're now ready to file your forms with the court clerk. Not all courts accept divorce filings, so be sure to find the courthouse that does. Then you can file in person, by mail, or sometimes online, depending on your court.